Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the JBL Tour One over-ear wireless headphones. These are a premium set of noise cancelling headphones coming in at around $299 US or 369 AU. The Tour Ones are a compact, lightweight, stylish set of over-ear headphones that are ideal for use at home, work, or when traveling. Let's unbox them and take a look at what we get inside. The first thing you see when you open the box is the premium molded black travel case with a useful snap fastener on the zip. There's an outer mesh pouch on one side of the case, which had me wondering why for a moment, but then it occurred to me that it's actually a great storage compartment for your phone. As you can see, my iPhone slots quite nicely into it, and it's easily accessed when I need it. Inside the case are the Tour One headphones, and as I unfold them and hold them up to the camera, you can see how compact they are. Weighing only 268 grams, they are lightweight and comfortable to wear. They have a very minimal, clean and elegant design, sporting a subtle JBL logo on each ear that you can only really see as you tilt them around the light source. You can tilt the ear cups in one direction by around 90 degrees. So this allows you to wear them on your neck in a rest position. The vertical tilt is around 25 degrees, which is fine for getting a comfortable fit, but they don't give you the same flexibility you get on some other over-ear headphones that I've tested out on this channel. The Tour Ones are made of a durable metal frame and black hardened plastic. Although they are said to be black in color, you can see there's a kind of space gray finish, which really helps convey that premium look. The metal extension strap with the headband features etched lines, so you can extend them evenly on each side. On the right earpiece, there is the power and pairing switch, which is tactile and easy to use, and volume controls just below. The entire top surface of the ear cup is touch sensitive and reacts to stop, playback, start, and skip, and allows you to scroll through noise profiles, and all of this can also be customized in the JBL app. The left ear cup is just one big physical button, which is towards the back edge of the ear cup, and this can be customized to access Alexa, Google Assistant, or scroll through ambient sound profiles. What else do we get? Well, there's a USB-C charging cable, a 3.5 cable for when you want to plug them in instead of going wireless, and I was surprised to see an airline adapter with a 2-prong fitting on one end and the 3.5 jack on the other. And this is ideal as when you're traveling, you won't have to ask the airline hostess for an adapter to plug them in. At the bottom of the box is the manual and warranty information. I've been using them for over a week now, and the key points are, first of all, they're very quick to pair. The touch features are instant and responsive, so you can easily tap to pause and play and change ANC modes, which I really like. They are very light and comfortable. They sound great for casual listening, perfect for podcasts, YouTube, and general purpose listening. When it comes to music, it's going to depend on what you listen to. For pop and rock, they did quite well. However, for other forms of electronic music and hard metal genres that I often listen to, I found that I really had to work the EQ using the app to get the best sound out of them. They have a fair degree of bass presence inherently, so that's good, but for me, the mids and highs tend to be a little flat and lacking in nuance. The overall loudness was also quite subdued. I kind of felt they'd go to what I would consider to be an 8 out of 10 in audio level, but this tends to be the trend with headphones supporting ANC, as they do such a good job of eliminating environmental noise, and you really don't need as much volume to be fully immersed in the audio experience. The wireless range was great. I got as far as 30 meters away, using them indoors, upstairs, and downstairs, and even outside the house. The battery life was awesome. I've pretty much used them the whole week, and I still haven't had to charge them. And the 4-microphone system ensures that phone calls sound really clear. So if you're looking for an austere, classy set of high-fidelity wireless over-ear headphones that are lightweight and comfortable with great range and long-lasting battery life, check out the Tour One by JBL, link in the description box below. I'll be doing a review of the Tour One Pro Plus wireless earbuds next, so if you want to see that video, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you're notified of up-and-coming video releases. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.